about to tell you the real secret on how to make passive income in 2023.
Getting started is about 2 magic lamps.
And $80 that you could potentially be making using this method.
Don't start side hustles because they think that they don't have the money.
Hi guys, you probably have guessed that today what we're gonna learn is a skill that can help you make passive income. So I cannot guarantee that you make money out of it, but it's gonna be a fun learning experience. We are going to make our passive income with a automated crypto trading bot.
Nice.
Crypto trading is not an easy business, to be honest, because there are so many professional crypto traders down there. How can I compete with them? No way. So I need to find a way that can help me make money while I'm even losing money while trading crypto. So then I found this, a open source project called Hummingbot. By the way, there's no sponsorship from them, right? I hope there is, but there's no. It's basically a crypto trading bot that you can use to automate your crypto trading. The thing that really interests me is their miner program. It's a crowdsourced market making, campaign kind of thing that you can actually offer your bot to do the market making and make money even when you are losing money during the trading. Because all these projects there, they actually offer a lot of rewards to compensate you. It's actually a lot of work, guys. I started my learning journey last night. It took me quite some time to watch all the YouTube tutorials, read the documentation, etc. But it's a fun experience. So after about 2 hours learning, I have completed all the settings for the strategy. So with all the protection, I'm confident that I'm not gonna lose a lot of money. Let's check. Okay, you see the order is over here. Check the status. Hey, so I just started bot. So it's now running. No order has been filled yet. We will let it run for a couple of hours, perhaps overnight. A small step to make our passive income. Good luck, man. So excited. I was amazed. I've earned almost 30 cents. You earn a fee actually every minute based on a snapshot taken by Hummingbot. I checked the leaderboard, so I'm actually ranked 131, probably at the bottom. Then I invested a little bit more on the details page of the token pair that I'm doing market making for. And then I realized that I was doing really poor compared to the other miners. So my spread is about 1.7%, but the average spread from other miners are 0.74. And also the earnings that I got is way below than average. Checking the documents, I realized that I'm eligible to earn the rewards actually. But the reason that I'm earning so less is because my spread is too high and the amount that I put into each order is too small. Well, it's a good start, I would say, but it's time to optimize the strategy. So I analyzed the chart again and made more calculations to adjust the new spread and make it much lower. So I can be qualified for more rewards. Also reset the protection, so make sure I'm still well protected. The updated strategy has been running for a while, and you can see I'm actually losing money in trading. But the rewards actually went up, so which means the change of strategy worked. Now the question is, are we earning enough rewards to cover the losses in trading? Not a lot of profit, but the answer is yes, we're still profitable. Alright guys, I think I really have to call it a day. I mean, I've been working on this for the whole afternoon, the whole weekend. It's a really fun but tired experience. It's one of the most challenging skills that I've learned this year. But first of all, I made a trading board. And second, it works. It actually made me some profit, although very, very, very tiny and small. And third, I realized that this is a real passive income. If I, work harder, optimize the model, probably I can enlarge the profit. Now it's 30 cents. What if I can make it $3 or maybe even $10 per day? That's actually a significant amount, right? You can make. So I would say, trust your capability and trust the technology, especially. You can learn it and you can really make your passive income. There's no shortcuts. You have to spend time on that. Okay, so if you want to know the step-by-step tutorial how I make the trading board, leave your comment below. I will upload another video with all the details. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy the video, and we will see you next time.